Okay, this product will come in two packs. One is mini SC Fun Pack, which will be with 10 films, priced at 8,499, and it will come with 4 packs of films, that is 40 sheets, at 9,999 for 9,999, and it will be available at all the leading retail outlets and national retail stores and regional stores, as well as Fujifilm's D2C website www.instaxorting from 10th of July. Right? That's it from our side. Now I think we will open the Q&A session.
Absolutely, and trust me, Kriti ma'am, this is actually like a competition. पता नहीं लग रहा है कौन किसको competition दे रहा है. This is such a beauty in your hand, isn't it? Yes, such candy floss colors actually. Alright, so the floor is open for our media friends for the questions. I request our media friends to raise their hand to ask their questions. Along with that, please tell your names, your media house names, and requesting you to please keep the questions to the context of the endorsement and the launch.
Madam, side please. अरे माइक पर आ गया कुछ कौन आ गया
All right, let's have your questions.
Any questions?
Hello, hello. Sir, here. Sir, here. Hi, Kriti. Hi, my name is Ayush and I'm from Bazooka Media. मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा इस कैमरे से आप पहली तस्वीर किसके साथ खींचना चाहेंगे?
पहली तस्वीर तो मैं ले चुकी हूँ मीडिया की. सबसे पहली तस्वीर उनकी जो मेरी तस्वीरें लेते हैं.
बट यहाँ से जाने के बाद किसकी लेंगे? किसके साथ पसंद करेंगे आप?
I think इसके बाद मैं घर जा रही हूँ. सबसे पहले मेरे पपीज डिस्को एंड फीबी पहली पिक्चर शायद उनके साथ होगी क्योंकि दरवाजे में वही आते हैं मुझे वेलकम देने के लिए. Alright, thank you. Next question, please. Please raise your hands.
Hi, this is on your left, Kriti. On the left side, your left. Hi, Sohail from Mission Bollywood.
बहुत लोग हैं लेफ्ट में सर. आप तो हाथ खड़ा कर दो, आपकी आवाज कहीं से भी आ जाती है.
Thank you. बहुत congratulations to you for your association. सबसे पहले तो इंडिया हैज won the match. उसके लिए आपकी तरफ से एक बधाई होनी चाहिए सभी लोगों से.
Absolutely, I think जितना बोले उतना कम है. Everybody has been like super excited. Social media is full of it. Everyone in my house was really excited. I wanted to go out and party. Unfortunately, I couldn't. It's such a huge and a proud feeling, you know. And congratulations to the entire team. And yay, हम जीत गए.
अभी आता हूँ कैमरे पर. पहले कैमरे को ओन करना was a very proud moment for everyone. You know, if you remember, it was your very first when you owned it, your own money, which आपने कितना personal कैमरा पे लिया हो.
I don't think I remember owning my first camera, but I remember the feeling of analog pictures जो होती थी, जो print करते थे. You know, that feeling of holding the picture, वो जब वो roll develop होके आता था और सब घर में बैठे थे देखने के लिए कि कैसी आई है picture. You know, that feeling of not knowing how the picture has turned out to be and seeing it in the physical form was a very different feeling. You know, we used to make like scrapbooks at that point and paste all the pictures to have just memories with us. So that is the first feeling of camera and photographs that I have, you know, before the digital age. And I think this is a camera that kind of gives back that feeling, which, and way more instantly. You don't have to wait for the roll to develop anymore. You just click and you get it in the physical form, which you can place anywhere, you know, whether it's in your room, whether it's in a scrapbook, whether gifting it to someone. That's what I personally love the most.
एक टाइम था जहाँ पर पहले टाइम था जहाँ पर हम पहले प्रिंट हुआ करता था, फिर प्रिंट से मोबाइल पर आ गए जहाँ पर वी टू स्टोर इट इन maybe it would be a copy of phone. Again, it's come out print. How do you see this? What would you prefer, like a hard copy
मतलब it's unlimited और एक selfie खींचने के चक्कर में कितनी लेते हैं हम लोग selfies, right? उसमें से कितनी तो useless होती है. So I feel when you want to go back to a memory, sometimes it really gets very difficult to actually find it. And you know those really special moments that you want to treasure and just see. So I feel in this digital age, the youngsters and in general people, I feel are going back to the analog time, you know, to feel the preciousness of those moments. I feel I have so many of these pictures. And what I love is that they are very instant. अब आपको wait नहीं करना पड़ रहा है, आपके सामने वो picture instantly आ जाती है. I also sometimes have used it to, you know, just instantly take a picture with a friend, and then, you know, a year later or 2 years later, you can write a special note on that film. There's a frame outside the picture, so you can write a little note and you can gift it to somebody, and it's just really, really special, I feel.
Hi, yo.
All right, next question we have there. Please share your name, your media house
Hi,
name.
my name is Anand from CNBC. So my question is for Mr. Arun Babu. So can you talk a little bit about or give a perspective on the current state and future potential of the instant photography market in India and globally?
So this category is the highest growing category for Fujifilm India, and we believe that India predominantly is this Gen Z millennial market, and we have seen a big shift, the trend towards buying such kind of product, instant product, because they relate to this kind of product. Because it's, as she said rightly, that this is an instant gratification or instant delight. And that when you tend to take pictures from your mobile, keep it there in mobile, and then you see once in a blue moon. But then this kind of cameras, you can do wonders. You can make scrapbooks, you can decorate your house, you can gift it to somebody, you can make a Christmas tree and put it on it. So there are a variety of ways by which this product can be used, and we see a big potential in coming years. That's why this kind of an event is happening, and that's why she is there with us.
Again, for Kriti ma'am, I want to ask you, can you share any personal experiences with the products in the past? Like, have you owned any of the products in the past, as well as like, how do you think it fits into the lifestyle of today's youth?
Of course, in fact, I think it's very, very exciting when you collaborate and associate with a brand that you have been using, you know, and you own already, you've paid for it, it's not come free. So it's just really, really a very good feeling. I recently told them that I had bought their, I don't know what the version, Mini Evo, yeah. The Mini Evo version, which is actually a hybrid of digital and analog. You can choose the pictures that you print. It's a really, really incredible camera. I love, you know, when I travel, I love taking it along. I love also sometimes taking it on shoot. You know, yeah, we all go back to our phone and take a lot of pictures, but the ones that I take from that camera, I keep them in like a nice box, you know, which I kind of treasure. It's like a memory treasure. And you can sort of tomorrow make like a scrapbook out of it. So that's what I do, and I've already owned it before I got associated with the brand. So yeah, I think all their products are amazing, and this one especially, I love the colors. I think all the colors are so vibrant and so fresh and so youth-friendly. I feel like you would love to just own it, like take a picture with the camera because the camera looks so good.
All right, moving to the next question. Hi Kriti, Kavya from Entrepreneur. My question to you is, well, we are seeing you become quite a business person beyond your films as well. From your cosmetic line being so successful to now being a brand ambassador, I wanted to understand as an actor how important do you consider these endorsements and what is the work that goes behind before you associate your name to a brand?
Thank you so much for the question. Well, I feel with any brand that you associate with, I think the first and most important thing that I look for is the brand value, what it stands for, what is the purpose, the quality, you know, of the products, and that's very, very important. Of course, when you associate with a brand like Fujifilm, which, you know, I've grown up with this brand around me, and it's just a privilege to be associated with a brand that stands for so much quality and just like amazing variety of work that they've been doing actually. with the innovation that they come up with, you know, staying connected to the youth as well. So that for me is very, very important. I think for an actor, when I associate with a brand, I do understand that people sort of get influenced by what I say. So for me, it's important to associate with a brand that I really believe in, truly, you know, and this is definitely one of those.
Thank you so much. A question for the managing director as well. So, as you said, right now the product is launched in US, India and China. I wanted to understand what else are you offering the Indian market now? Obviously, having a brand ambassador on board is great, but what is the future plans?
Yes, product-wise, it's almost similar to worldwide market, but India is one of the most important market from our headquarters. So that's why, as a marketing activity, like with Miss Kitty, so we will have a very aggressive marketing activity. So to let all Indian customers be happy.
Thank you. Can we have the next question, please?
Hi, my name is Lakshay Kumar. I'm from India today. My question, I have two questions actually for the management. One for Arun sir. First of all, congratulations on the fantastic launch. Thank you. Really excited to try out the new products. But primarily, I just wanted to know how is the Mini SE different from the Mini 12 or the ones that came before that?
So, Mini SE becomes our entry segment model, and predominantly this model will be available in offline retail stores and national retail stores or regional chain stores. Mini 12 is a little upper version than the Mini SE. So previously we had Mini 9, the entry segment. Now Mini 9 is discontinued. Now this becomes a latest entry model with different variety of features. So this will become one of the highest contributing model for us in the offline channel.
And Wadasan, one for you as well. You mentioned that this product is launched in just 3 countries across the world. But then why not make it a global launch? Since this is an important entry-level product, why not introduce it to more countries, to more people, help the product grow?
So to answer to this, maybe let me rephrase it. This product will be available in only these 3 countries. It won't be available in other countries. That's the message out here. This is a special model which is made for US, China and India only. And rest, other countries, it depends on the management's call, but at present, it is only for these 3 countries.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do we have any more questions?
Yeah, hi. Myself, Poonam. We are a media and PR and upcoming production house called Bollywood Themes. So basically, we just recently started making a music album, and we were like struggling for camera. Camera is very expensive, you know, very, very expensive. We understood the importance of camera because camera has a lot of type of variants with the many lenses. You know, it has a many lenses. So I want to know, like, what is the storage capacity of this camera? Like, it is just for use or one time or regular 100 times you can use, how it is?
So you can use it as many times you want. Only thing is that there's a cartridge film which comes inside the camera. Like you have to, you get it in a package. So that consists of 10 films. Once that 10 film is consumed, you will get an indicator that films are over. You have to put another 10 back. So that's this all about. But when it comes to your kind of work you're doing, we have a different category where we deal with cameras. So you can meet me separately. I can suggest you some cameras which is affordable and will definitely.
And what would be the price of this camera?
This particular camera?
Yeah. I mean, if I want to buy, I can buy any stores.
I have shared the price. Like two models are coming. One is with the 10-pack film and one is with the 40-pack film.
Okay.
Right? And then 74999 and 9999 is the price of the camera, which is the maximum retail price. Of course, there will be some special discounts when you go to shop friends and all. Once it is launched from 10th of July, it will be available in all the shops. So definitely use it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Do we have any more questions? Please raise your hand if you have a question.
कृति जी, अगर इस कैमरे के साथ आपको एक दिन पापाराजी बनने का मौका मिले,
आपकी आवाज मुझे पहचान में आ गई, आप हैं कहाँ?
इस कैमरे के साथ अगर आपको एक दिन पापाराजी बनने का मौका मिले, तो कौन से सेलिब्रिटी को ट्रैक करके आप उनकी फोटो क्लिक करना पसंद करेंगे?
मैं आपको फॉलो करूंगी, आप जहाँ जा रहे हो, आप जिस सैलून से निकल रहे हो, आप कहीं जिम जा रहे हो, अगर जाते हो, आप जहाँ से निकल नहीं जाते हो, घर के बाहर तो जाते होगे, इवेंट पे जाते हो, तो वो इवेंट पे आते हुए मैं आपकी स्पॉटिंग डालूंगी।
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Do we have any more questions? Absolutely. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ms. Kriti. Thank you, Vada-san. Thank you, Arun-san. Thank you so much. And thank you to all our media friends. I request all of you to have a look at the product display area and enjoy a cup of tea before you leave. The leadership and corporate communications team is around here for any clarifications, discussions about the product that you would have missed in the Q&A session. A very good day ahead to all of you, and thank you so much.